It is indeed a beautiful day, and we thank God for that. We are here in South Sea, Muhoho Avenue, and right behind me is Meraki Phase II. My name is Sylvia Mwongeli, and I will be taking you through the progress for the month. At the beginning of the month, we began electrical chasing. And right now, we are on the second floor. In the beginning of the month, we began plaster works, and we have done up to the fourth floor. Plumbing works are progressing well, with both PPR and drainage piping works ongoing on the 11th floor. I'll see you in the next month's episode, inshallah. For now, let me enjoy the sun.